Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another episode of Kitchen Oracles. Today, we've got something exciting for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of oil sprayers. You know, those nifty gadgets that make cooking and grilling a breeze. I'm your host Kitchen Oracles, and if you're tired of the traditional pour and drip method, stick around because we're counting down the top 5 oil sprayers of 2023. But before we jump into the list, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen gadget reviews. Alright, let's get oily. First up, we have the Evo Oil Sprayer Evo Glass Trigger Sprayer Bottle. This sleek glass bottle is not just easy on the eyes, but it's also a powerhouse in the kitchen. The pros? Well, it's refillable, easy to clean, and has an adjustable nozzle for customized spraying. On the flip side, some users note that the trigger can be a bit sensitive, leading to accidental spritzes. However, with a price range of $20, it's an affordable option for those looking to step up their oil game. Next on our list is the Cuisinart Grilling Oil Mister. This one's for all you grill masters out there. The pros? It's got a durable build, perfect for outdoor cooking, and the fine mist ensures an even distribution of oil on your favorite meats and veggies. However, some users report issues with the pump mechanism, leading to occasional clogs. Priced at $15, it won't break the bank either. Coming in at number 3, we have the Purelight Continuous Spray Olive Oil Mister. This bad boy boasts a continuous spray function, making it a time saver in the kitchen. The pros? It's rechargeable, which means no more fumbling around for batteries. On the downside, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to clean. But at a price point of $20, the convenience might just be worth it. Now, let's talk about the Misto Oil Sprayer. This classic has been a favorite for years. The pros? It's manual, so no batteries or charging needed. It's also versatile, allowing you to use your favorite oils. However, some users find that it can be prone to clogging, affecting the spray quality. You can snag one of these for around $10 to $20. Last but certainly not least, we have the Norbase Olive Oil Sprayer. This sleek and modern option has caught the attention of many home cooks. The pros? It's easy to use, has a transparent design for easy monitoring of oil levels, and it comes with a handy funnel for refilling. On the flip side, some users mention that the spray nozzle can be a bit narrow. This one falls in the mid-range price category, ranging from $13 to $20. There you have it, our top 5 oil sprayers of 2023. Whether you're a gourmet chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, there's an option for everyone. Check the links in the description below to grab one for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to get more details on each of these fantastic oil sprayers. Until next time, happy cooking!